So, sir, this is the white door. This is the guest room. So we're going to put block here to cover that place. Then we have this. This is the kitchen exit. So you can see it's already installed. This is the kitchen exit. So we are moving in. Very easy to open. So what is important is locking system to lock twice. So locking. So now is to add cement to it. Add cement to it. So we have the room's door too installed. So this is the room door already. That room door. So nice to do the cementing now. Yeah, another thing is that this is the back flat and we have installed this door. This is the level of the lintel where this wood is. So this door cannot go above this level because we can't chisel this lintel to affect the building. So the reason I'm doing this is that look at this piping, this floor piping, the electrician piping. It will affect tiling. So the electrician will need to work extraordinary here because of this level of this door. Because if tiler want to take their level, they have to break or bury this pipe a little to go down. These pipes have to go down, or else tiler will have problem when tiling. So because there is no how this door can go above this level, it's just for only this two back flat. This is what I'm talking about. Look at it here. This is lintel. For the other one, we've done it already. This is lintel, and our door is already touching this lintel. So if there is more space, we'll have raised it up. So if the electrician want to work here now, he has to chisel the ground and allow the pipe to go down very well, not like the way he's doing it here. So just beg him to work extraordinary, unless tiler will have issue here, because if tiler lay the tiles, it will not, the door may not allow, although it depends on the type of tiler that is coming. So this is just I want to inform, because I don't want, because of the level, the pipe is too high. The pipe is burying is too high. He has to dig ground for the piping for these two flats, these two back flat ground floor. Master toilet. This is what we have here. We're having this door right. It will turn, it will go in right. So this is the master toilet. Then this is another room toilet here. So this one is going in left. So this is the master, the second room toilet. So So we have the third room. The third room upstairs. So it's already available. So we are moving to the, I think, guest toilet. The guest toilet, we have a little issue here. I cannot set the guest toilet. Guest toilet have, I don't know if it is study room or, I think, or children's room. Look at this door, cannot enter through this narrow area. It cannot enter, so the door can't work. This space here is small to the size of the door. So the alternative way is, let me show you the alternative way to hang this door is to take it inside the toilet. Take it inside, then face it like this. That is the alternative way the door can work here. So, and I think here we have the visitor's toilet door, which makes it 5. So that is what we are doing this morning. So this is not yet to be done. This 2 is because the POP guys were working in the flat. So there are 2 yesterday. So every door will be fixed today. Sir, please. So this is the entrance door. Already made. This is the entrance door. Then this is one of the room door. We have to lay block here. We use block to block this place. So this is one of the room door. So it's ready. So we move to the kitchen exit door. This is the kitchen exit door, which is the copper door. This is the kitchen exit door, ready and plaster. This is the front view. So this is the kitchen exit door. So door, first room door upstairs. This is another room door, ready, plastered, installed and fixed. This is another room door. So this is the back. This is the back view, readily available. And also this is also readily available. These are the back view. So this is the front balcony door. This is the balcony door. So